East Shillong MLA Ampareen Lyngdoh, along with West Shillong MLA Mohendro Rapsang, had met Meghalaya Chief Secretary DP Wahlang in his chamber today to apprise him on the water scarcity problem in many of the localities within the two constituencies. In a word with media persons, the East Shillong MLA Dr. M. Ampareen Lyngdoh informed that the Chief Secretary had cited fluctuation of power as the main cause of the scarcity of water in East and West Shillong constituencies. Further, Lyngdoh also informed that the Chief Secretary was also told of the two legislators' concerns about Phase 2 of the Greater Shillong water supply, which is yet to be completed.
Just come out of a discussion initiated by the Chief Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya on the crisis of water being faced in the Shillong city in general, particularly in West Shillong and in East Shillong. Now, we have now been informed that there are some fluctuation voltages that are impacting dearly on the pumping of the water for its reaching our part of the city. So we have been given an assurance by the meeting convened by the Chief Secretary that this issue will be immediately attended to. Secondly, we are very concerned that the Phase 2 of GSW3 is also still incomplete. We were able to discuss those details in the meeting just now, and we look forward that all of these storages of water supply to Shillong city will soon be commissioned, and there is one line of pipes that still need to be installed and put in position. We are hopeful that this will result positively. We are also concerned because when there are these crisis periods of water supply, there are not enough tankies in Shillong city for us to feed temporary emergency water supply to various localities. So we've also been told today that the municipal board will shortly be given an additional amount of 5 water tankers, so that at least during this period when there is shortage of this water, we will still be able to serve to localities through feeder tanks. So I hope that this entire exercise that we had today will result positively. We are very concerned because we've had so much rain, but no water coming to our taps. I am also concerned because citizens are getting frustrated and restless. Government has given us the assurance, let us be patient, and we will review this matter back in about 2 to 3 weeks, and we hope that by then we will have this stable water supply being restored back to critical areas like Shillong West, Shillong East, including Nongthamai. I hope that the consultations that we had today will be an eye-opener to the actual problem that seems not to be attended. So that's all we have to say.